Central Building Research Institute, Roorkee has recently added a new facility of drone-based pre- and post-disaster mapping, monitoring and trying to develop early warning system, specifically in the context of landslide disaster. This is a small unmanned aerial vehicle known as quadcopter, and it has a operational distance of 5 km and operational height of 1 km. We have procured 3 sensors. The onboard sensor is the RGB photogrammetry sensor for creating ortho images and digital elevation models. And in my hand I have a multispectral camera which can map the vegetation changes and vegetation differences on the ground. And the third camera, we are using a thermal sensor which can sense the soil moisture on the surface, and also it can fly during night time. It can map, so it can be used in the post-disaster scenario to identify different objects in the post-disaster mapping time. We are going to monitor on different time scales the landslide events to understand the dynamics and mechanism of a landslide. And with utilizing this sort of data, we are trying to develop a early warning system that will be space-borne early warning system, not ground-based early warning system. With this addition, CSIR-CBRI has been actively involved in implementing best available tools and techniques in landslide research. This tool will not only be used for landslide disaster, and this can be used for multi-disasters also.